Oh la la, welcome back my beautiful people of the internet. Did you know? Apparently a network carrier in the US has leaked a listing of the upcoming Pixel Watch. Yes, that is true. But that also implies that there will be an LTE version, otherwise that listing doesn't make any sense, right? Now the interesting part in all of this is the headlines within split seconds. Something like Galaxy Watch 4, you better watch out. New leak shows it could outmatch the Galaxy Watch 4. Full stop. And so on, and you get my drift. But let's have a look, shall we? Have you noticed your eyes lately when you watch YouTube videos? They start hurting. Well, it could be that the red subscribe button is like a laser beam, and because you are not clicking on it when you watch my video, for example, that really hurts your eyes. But you could fix this. You can fix this right now by clicking on this, and then it's grayed out and it's much better for your eyes. The Pixel Watch is supposed to be released in May this year, 26 to be precise. It's supposed to come in 3 different colors: gray, black, and gold. The one thing that the listing has shown in that leak is the bigger storage capacity for the Pixel Watch, and it comes to 32 gigabytes apparently, which is double the storage you will get on a Galaxy Watch 4. Nothing really groundbreaking so far, and it is fair to say that the Pixel Watch has been in development for a long time. Granted, the Fitbit acquisition will obviously help to get some fitness features on board without reinventing the wheel. Another interesting thing is Google has sent out a survey a while back to potential users, asking them what they would like to see in the upcoming Pixel Watch should they ever decide to release one. And those features included, of course, SPO tracking, sleep apnea detection, sleep analysis, heartbeat alerts, recovery time monitoring, stress tracking, pairing for medical devices and gym equipment, rep detection, and calorie tracking. Kind of what people really want these days, right? But there's one thing we should recognize. A simple saying over here really puts it all into perspective. Stay with me. When you boil an egg around the world, no matter where you boil an egg, everyone uses water. Translating this into the following: unless Google comes up with something spectacular like a 7 days battery life or exceptionally good sensors that are super accurate, and you know what I'm getting at here, right? Unless Google is doing this, we kind of know what to expect because everyone else is using water also to boil that egg. After all, the Pixel Watch will have the Exynos chip included, and we all know from the Galaxy Watch 4 what it's like to use that chipset, right? It will also come with Wear OS 3, which is kind of a lesser version of what you see on the Galaxy Watch 4, kind of less overlay, but that's about it. Now, having said all of this, the one area Google could outshine everyone else is by having a Google Assistant version that simply rocks the boat. Not just a redesign, way more functionality, of course. Something that will allow the watch to listen, for example, out for voice commands at all times without draining the battery, without pushing a button or any other voice commands, meaning you could be going jogging, you could be doing anything and just simply say, call mom and dad. And having said all of this, again, design plays also a big role. I do personally like the playful design for Google devices in the past, so that is also a major role here. But no matter what Google comes out with, one thing that needs to work regardless is the software component, is the software integration. And maybe, just maybe, that's the reason why it took so long for the Pixel Watch to come along to be developed. And we've seen this with the Galaxy Watch 4 with the Big Bang Unpacked event, release update, the software update, and it broke a lot of things for a lot of people. And Samsung had to release another update in order to fix that previous update. Here's a big but. Samsung is really keen on driving home a superior ecosystem experience for all its devices, hardware and software alike. Still some work to do, we know, but improvements, we can see improvements all the time. And this, exactly that, is a major difference. Google's business is not hardware related whatsoever. We know where Google's revenue comes from. If they would stop producing hardware or ecosystems or whatever you want to call it today, nobody would ever notice. It would be a small cough in the company, inside the company, nobody would ever hear. Nevertheless, I'm really looking forward to testing out the Pixel Watch once it comes along and putting it against our beloved Galaxy Watch 4. But let me know your thoughts. It's not about me, it's about you. Let me know how you feel about it in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Much appreciated. appreciate it. See you next time. Peace.